And this is my closet. Have I no shame? I guess not. But it needs a lot of work as well. That mirror cost $2.50. Got it from yard sale down at the church. Scuffed it up a little bit. Okay, got some things to do here. We don't have many clothes, and yet I'm gonna call these out a little more. I've done that before. That's a way that I can cut out some of the decisions. You know, you can get decision fatigue very quickly. Too many things to decide. So when I get it down to just a few outfits that I can wear for certain things, I won't have to make a whole lot of decisions. Okay, got these little, I guess dish pans from Dollar Store, Dollar Tree, and we use them to keep underwear and things like that, socks in. Okay, got that needs completely rehauling up there. I'll get it. And how can I leave things for years? Do you have stuff that you have had so long you don't even see it anymore? Yeah. That's computer parts from my son's computer before he was married. He's got a 7-year-old daughter. Okay, I know what I got to do in here. Coming up. But I did put, one of the smart things I did when we built this house was I added this sink in the closet. So this is my place for getting ready. My husband has the bathroom. No problems. And that was my closet.